Guys, Sonicare is an established household name in terms of electric toothbrushes, but have you heard of Laifen Wave? And how well does it compare to the Sonicare? Let's talk about it. So today I'm comparing the Laifen Wave to the Sonicare Diamond Clean 9300. So first I'm going to go over the specs and features of each brush, then I'll show you guys how well each brush works on my teeth, and then I'll share my final thoughts. So let's start with the Sonicare. So this Sonicare Diamond Clean 9300 costs about $199 plus tax, and for this price you get obviously the brush handle itself. It comes with 2 brush heads, as well as a glass charger, and a little stand in case you don't want to have the glass on the counter, so you can just kind of plop it in here like this. And a slim little treasure chest. A slim little travel case. So the brush itself features a pressure sensor, 4 brushing modes, and 3 intensity levels, so you can combine these in any way you want, as well as a Quadrant timer where it buzzes or pulsates every 30 seconds to let you know to move on to the next section. If you need a refresher on how to navigate this feature, which most electric brushes come with, you can watch my video on how to use an electric toothbrush correctly. I'll leave a link in the description below to that. Now you can also connect it to an app which focuses on tracking how well you brush, shows you any spots you've missed, and just keeping tabs on your overall brushing habits. Now another couple of things worth noting is the battery on this toothbrush lasts up to 2 weeks, and the motor reaches speeds of up to 62,000 movements per minute. Now let's compare the Laifen side by side. So this Laifen, I got the aluminum alloy handle one, costs about $80. Right away you'll notice that the price is significantly lower than the Sonicare, and if you want to save an additional $10, you can get this brush with the plastic handle, which is, by the way, what the Sonicare comes as anyway. So either way, much cheaper than the Sonicare. Now for $80 you get 3 brush heads, the one I have on here, as well as a couple extra ones here. And I actually really like the brush bristles on this brush head itself. Spoiler alert, better than the Sonicare brush bristles. I don't know if you can see this, but it's pretty thin. Sorry, it is pink. I used disclosing solution already with this, so a little bit pink, but nice and soft, thin bristles. Love it. But anyway, 3 brush heads, a simple USB charging cable. So you just kind of pop it on here. It's magnetic. And then a little USB thing, plug it into a block or whatever. It does not come with a travel case like the Sonicare, but you can purchase one separately for about $20. Now, the Laifen does not have a pressure sensor. Instead, it provides a steady, continuous flow of power regardless of how much pressure you place on the brush. It does have a Quadrant timer, but in order to access this feature, you do need to download the app that comes with it, and then you just go ahead and switch the 30-second reminder on. Now, I'm not a huge fan of technology. I prefer, especially for my electric toothbrush, to just turn it on and go and have everything ready to go. So the fact that you have to download the app to access the Quadrant timer was kind of annoying, but the nice thing is if you want to not use the app, you can just download the app once, turn on the feature, and you can just delete the app if you really don't want it, and the brush will have that setting turned on indefinitely. But on the other side, if you are into technology, their app offers a huge variety of different settings and intensities for the brush bristle movement, so pretty nifty if you're into technology. Anyway, the last couple of features to note here: the battery on the Laifen Wave can last up to 45 days, which is quite a bit longer than the Sonicare, which lasts about 2 weeks. And then the motor on the Laifen can reach speeds of up to 66,000 movements per minute. Now, I did actually try to use the brush on the highest intensity level, and it was way too powerful for me. So although 66,000 is impressive, I don't think it's entirely necessary. Now, one of the biggest differences with these 2 brushes is the brush head movement. So the Sonicare delivers a simple vibration of the brush head itself, and then the Laifen also vibrates, but in addition to that, I don't know if you can see this, it actually moves about 60 degrees side to side. So pretty cool. I haven't seen this on any other electric toothbrush before. It's definitely a bit of a different feel in terms of that 60-degree movement. It took a second to get used to, but I ended up really enjoying that feature because I didn't have to worry about that movement up and down. I just kind of rocked the toothbrush back and forth. Now, really quick before I move on to the demo, let's compare the sound/volume of these 2 brushes. So here's the Sonicare, and here's the Laifen. So other than the pitch, with the Sonicare being a little bit higher pitch and the Laifen being a little bit lower, I didn't notice a huge difference in terms of volume. Maybe it'll sound different in the video. I'm not sure with the microphone how that transfers into the video, but not too much of a difference in terms of volume. All right, so specs and features aside, let's check out how these brushes work on my teeth. All right, so starting with the Sonicare. So I didn't brush my teeth for a full day, and now I'm brushing in the evening before bed. So let's disclose the plaque first with a little disclosing tablet, and here are my teeth with disclosing solution, nice and purple. Gross. And then I get brushing with my Sonicare. So I spread the toothpaste around and get going. So I brush for the full 2 minutes, doing one section at a time. Again, if you guys need a reminder of how to use an electric toothbrush, I did make a video on that, link in the description below. But anyway, fast forward, give it a little rinse, and let's take a look at my teeth. Oh my goodness, the lighting sucks. Sorry guys. But as you can see, not bad. Teeth are nice and clean now. All right, so now let's try the Laifen. So this is a different day, again, not brushing my teeth all day, and then using the Laifen in the evening before bed. So again, I disclose all the plaque first with my tablet here. And here are my teeth. And let's get brushing. Okay, so I brush for a full 2 minutes. The 30-second timer is activated, so I brush my teeth in sections. Fast forward, do a little rinse, and here are my teeth after. So looking pretty good as well. By the way, if you guys are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So my overall thoughts. So the Laifen is definitely cheaper. Even the brush head replacements are cheaper at $50.99 for 3, or about $5.33 per brush head, while the Sonicare is $23.96 for 2, or $11.98 per brush head. And then based off of what I saw on my own teeth, the Laifen offers just as good of a clean as the Sonicare. I've actually used a lot of electric toothbrushes. Sonicare has never really been my personal favorite. I've always preferred the Oral-B versus the Sonicare, and you can actually check out my other video comparing the Laifen to the Oral-B. I'll leave a link in the description below for that video as well. Now for the Laifen toothbrush, the one thing that was pretty alarming to me, and I think I mentioned this in my video comparing it to the Oral-B, but if the back side of the toothbrush hits your teeth while you're brushing the other side, it's a pretty startling experience, a little bit uncomfortable. Like, let me show you real quick. I don't know if that sounded loud to you. It sounded very loud in my head, but I think it has to do with how the brush head is connected to the actual brush itself. So it delivers that super strong vibration. I did end up checking the Sonicare to see if it would do the same thing, and it did actually have a similar effect. Let me show you guys. But definitely not as alarming. The nice thing is Laifen has become aware of this and is now offering cushion brush heads to offset this powerful vibration and provide a more comfortable experience. You can get these for about $27 for a pack of 6, which is even cheaper than the standard $50.99 for 3. So if you don't mind the couple of technical details that I mentioned earlier that I wasn't a huge fan of, I would say the Laifen is very comparable to the Sonicare. In fact, if I were in the market for a new toothbrush, I certainly would choose the Laifen over the Sonicare. Alright, comment below with any questions or concerns, and then just make sure to check out some links in the description below, again, to the videos that I mentioned and to the Laifen Wave toothbrush if you want to try it out for yourself. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.